Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove account from Microsoft Authenticator app. So let's get started. And I will show you both in the mobile and PC version. So first one is the PC version. So all you have to do is go into your Microsoft account right here in any apps. And from here, you want to click on your profile picture right here on the top right of your screen right here and click on My Profile. In this way, you would be able to go to the Microsoft account settings. And from here, let's just wait for it to load. And all we have to do now is click here on security. And now here in security settings, you want to click on manage how I sign in. And from here, let's just wait for it to load. And then right here, as you can see, we have an Authenticator app associated to this account. All we have to do is click here. And from here, click on remove and click on remove again. And make sure that you are sure that you want to remove this Authenticator app, because removing this method means that you will not be able to use it for verification. So click on remove once you're sure. And then as you can see, it is now removed. And now for the mobile version, what you need to do is you want to open your Microsoft Authenticator app. And from here, for example, I want to remove this account right here, the third one. So I'm going to click or tap on that. And from here, I'm going to tap on the gear icon on the top right and tap on remove account and tap on continue. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.